Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. And by downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. Now scroll all the way down. Click on Apps section over here and select Manage Apps. Now you need to tap on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Default Apps in the pop-up. Finally, just click on one of those sections that you wish to manage and click on your new downloaded app. Then go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!